Okay, persistent menu on Supa.Tools. So persistent menus are those little menus that you see in Instagram or Facebook Messenger that have various options like opening times or connect with us or those types of things. And I'm going to show you very quickly how to do those so you can do them for yourself. So let's first of all click on make sure that you've got Facebook or Instagram account connected that you want to use. Okay, so once you've made sure that you've done that, we should get like a little on button next to the page that you want to use. So I'm going to use Supa.Tools here. Then you go to Bot Manager. Okay. And in your group that you want to use, you go down to persistent menu. Okay, click on there. I've got one here that I've already done, but I'm going to do a new one just to show you from scratch. So the great thing is with location, for example, if you are doing business in another country, say I was doing some stuff in Greece, I can have a different menu that could be obviously in Greek, have different options. So it's great from a marketing point of view like that, but keep it on default if you just want, anywhere and everywhere. And here's your menu. So the first one I'm going to show you is if you had an external URL. So let's just say for this, I really want to get more people following me on Twitter. So I'm going to get my Twitter account handle, and I'm just going to put that in there, and that's done. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Okay, so you could just fill out external links, and that'd be absolutely fine. That'd be absolutely fine. But let's say, for example, I want something like opening times. Okay. Now what I could do a postback, which is basically a postback is internal. That's going to bounce back to the person. It's not going to take you to an external URL. It's going to be inside the system, if that makes sense. Now, you may have already had something here already that you've done previously that you've saved. If not, you can go to add, okay, and give it a title, opening times, create a label. So again, opening times. And you could have whatever. We are open 9 to 5 weekdays. And there we go. That would be that. Close and refresh. Now let's have another one, which could be sign up to our newsletter. We have that as a post back again. Excuse me, and I've already done this one here, so I'm going to add that. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I need to give it a name. Where's it gone? Times newsletter. There we go. I need to get rid of that. Remove that. Okay, so press submit, and there we have. So if we need to change this again, we can go to edit, and we can have more options. Okay. We have various options here to look at the data from this, how many people are using. This could be quite helpul from the point of view of within analytics. We can sort of see if people are really interested in sign up to your newsletter. Maybe you could change the wording, that type of stuff. There's always little tweaks you can make. So let's go and have a look and see if this all works properly. Okay, so here we are on the page. Switch over to my personal account just to have a quick look. And then we can click on here. This is the menu on the desktop, and as we can see, we've got all these options. So we can click on Twitter, and we can see leads me to my Twitter account. Go again, we go to opening times, and it comes up with a message, whatever that would be. Newsletter. There's a bit of a delay on there, so I need to take that off. There we go. I've got the wrong options there, but you can sort of get the point that you can have these automated sort of messages coming through. So that's pretty cool about this little menu. Obviously on the desktop it doesn't look as impressive, but on the phone it would be right there. So you could have some really obvious things like I would have newsletter or freebies or something like that that would really try and get people's to sign up and have their email address. That type of stuff would be great. And you can also do the same obviously with Instagram as well. So I hope that's helpful for you.